Hi friends, now we are going to see the problems on average. Okay, problems problems on average. Okay, problems on average. The question here is a professor takes number of quizzes for a course. Number of quizzes for a number of quizzes for a course. All quizzes of out of 100 marks. All quizzes are of are out of 100 marks. All quizzes are out of 100 marks. If he's a student, a student, his or her gain more than or 90 marks. If he get a student get more than 90 marks, ఇప్పుడు ఒక స్టూడెంట్కి మోర్ దెన్ 90 మార్క్స్ వస్తే A grade. If a student gets more than 90 marks, A grade. If a student gets between 87 to 89, then we consider it as B. 87 నుంచి 89 మధ్యలో వస్తే B. And now if a student's grade less than or 87, less than or equal to 87, then we consider it as C grade. Okay, then we consider it as C grade. Now see here, by using this we are going to assume at what grade the student's grade. Okay, a student is preparing for the last quiz. A student a student a student is preparing for his last quiz. A student is preparing for his last quiz. Student is preparing for his last quiz, and a student is preparing for his last quiz, and his expectation is around minimum, and his expectation is around minimum 97, and expectation is a minimum 97 to get A grade. Okay, to get A grade, minimum 97 to get A grade. After the quiz he realized that he will just manage after the quiz he realized he will just manage up to 70, he will manage up to 70, and he will just manage up to 70, and grade B, and grade B. Now we have to find out how many quizzes are conducted. Now we have to find out how many quizzes are conducted by professor. How many quizzes are conducted by professor? Okay, this is a problem. Okay, now we have to solve this. Okay, a quiz here. Here n quizzes are conducted. N quizzes are conducted, and some of the marks of the students are some of the marks of the students in last n minus 1 quizzes is in last n minus 1 quizzes is m. We don't know the exact math, so that we take it as m. అంటే లాస్ట్లో ఎం సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్కి n-1 క్యూజెస్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తారు, దాన్ని వచ్చేసి ఎం అనమాట. నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ సీ హియర్, నౌ వీ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సీ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది మార్క్స్ ఆఫ్ ది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇన్ లాస్ట్ n-1 క్యూజెస్ ఈజ్ ఎం. Okay, m. Now number of the number of now here the average he expected is the minimum average the student expected is 97, and the minimum average the student expected is 97, and how many quizzes are conducted, total n. Okay, and what is the average, what is the grade he expected, what is the present grade for A, it is 90. Okay, and another one here, here clearly see number of quizzes conducted here is n, and the last and some of the students in last quizzes he scored around m, and the total he expected is around 97 marks, and if we get 97 marks the grade will be A, so that the grade will be 90. Okay, if it is 90, then the grade will be A. If the student expectation is this one, and what is the after the exam he realized that after the exam he realized that he will get only he can manage up to 70, and the quizzes conducted are n, and he will get around, if he gets 70 marks, then the grade will be how much, 87. That means C. Okay, see now we will simplify this both. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండింటిని మనం సింప్లిఫై చేద్దాం, దానికి వచ్చే ఆన్సరే నంబర్ ఆఫ్ n క్విజెస్ కండక్టెడ్. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎంత వస్తుంది, ఇప్పుడు ఇది m ప్లస్ 97 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 90n, దిస్ వన్ ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్. ఇదంతా m ప్లస్ 70 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 87n. నౌ ఈ రెండింటిని సింప్లిఫై చేద్దాం. m ప్లస్ 97 is equal to 90n, and m plus 70 is equal to 87n. This one is 70. Now see here what will get, cancel again, here plus 97 27, again here 3n. Now we will get the value as n is equal to 27 by 3. n is equal to 27 by 3 is equal to n is equal to 9. Now the total number of quizzes conducted by a professor is 9. In this way we will get the answer. Okay, now see here, a professor takes n number of quizzes for a course. All quizzes are out of 100 marks. Then his or her scores more than 90 స్కోర్ చేస్తే ఏ గ్రేడ్, 87 to 89 మధ్యలో బి గ్రేడ్, లెస్ దెన్ 87 అయితే సి గ్రేడ్. ఏ స్టూడెంట్ ఈస్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ ఫర్ హిస్ లాస్ట్ క్విజ్ టు గెట్ మినిమమ్, హిజ్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ ఈజ్ అరౌండ్ మినిమమ్ 97 ఫర్ ఏ గ్రేడ్. ఆఫ్టర్ ద క్విజ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత హీ రియలైజ్ దట్ he can score only up to 70, then his grade is B. Then how many quizzes are conducted by a professor? Okay, then n quizzes are conducted. We don't know the exact how many quizzes are conducted. Then sum of the marks of the students in last n-1 quizzes is equal to m. Sum of the marks scored by the students in last n-1 quizzes is equal to m. Now we don't know the how many marks scored also here. Now we'll last quizzes is equal to n-1, and his expectation is equal to around 97, and number of quizzes conducted is equal to n. We don't know the number of quizzes, first term plus last term by number of quizzes. Okay, is equal to average is equal to 90. Okay, this is the first step, and ikkada second step is, it is the expectation, and this one is the reality. రియాలిటీగా అతనికి ఎంత వస్తాయని ఎగ్జామ్ రాసిన తర్వాత అనుకున్నాడంటే, లాస్ట్ క్విజెస్ కండక్టెడ్ ఈజ్ n-1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు m ప్లస్ 70 ఈజ్ అప్ టు ఈజ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ద ఎగ్జామ్ ఈ up to his knowledge he will get only 70. Number of quiz conducted is equal to n, and total is equal to, if we get less than 87, if we get only 70 marks, then the grade will be C, it is 87. Okay, now we will simplify this and we will get answer is n is total number of keys conducted is equal to 9. N is equal to 9. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.